The item of the day is the DS5i Bluetooth Smart Station. This innovative device seamlessly combines a stylish bedward clock with a state-of-the-art gun safe, ensuring that your valuables, including your firearms, are secure yet easily accessible. First, let's talk about the standout feature of the Smart Station, the built-in Vaultek locking system. With this advanced technology, you're provided complete protection and peace of mind. You can access your safe in several ways, using the high-resolution 360 degrees biometric scanner, the Smart Sense keypad, backup keys, or our signature key. The biometric scanner can save up to 20 unique fingerprints, so multiple users can gain access conveniently. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The Smart Sense technology is designed for ease of use and efficiency. It automatically illuminates the keypad when your fingers approach the sensor, allowing you to access your items even in low-light conditions. But that's not all. The DS5i also features dual wireless charging capabilities. With 2 available chargers, you can connect up to 2 mobile phones or use a combination of AirPods with your phone. No more tangled wires or searching for outlets. Simply place your devices on the charging pads for a hassle-free experience. The design of the safe itself is robust and reliable. It includes a signature impact-resistant latch and a tamper-resistant design to deter unauthorized access. Furthermore, it comes with a high-strength steel cable to securely attach the safe to any fixed object, ensuring it stays in place at all times. Inside the safe, there's ample space for a gun, extra magazine, car keys, cards, and other small valuables. It is meticulously designed to keep your essential items organized and secure. The customizable LED touchscreen display adds a modern touch, allowing you to check the time, temperature, and humidity at a glance. This feature not only enhances the user experience, but also matches the aesthetics of a contemporary home. Additionally, the DS5i comes with accessory charging ports, featuring 2 USB ports and 2 USB-C ports. This ability enables you to charge accessories right from the safe, so you're always prepared for your next outing or emergency. When it comes to nighttime accessibility, the interior LED lighting provides excellent visibility, making it easy to find what you need without fumbling around in the dark. Unique to the DS5i is the automatically opening drawer, which allows you to access your safe quickly and quietly, essential in those critical moments when time is of the essence. Powering the safe is straightforward. It comes with a reliable AC adapter for everyday use. However, in the unfortunate event of a power outage, it is equipped with 2 batteries that ensure continuous power. Finally, if you prefer to keep your safe concealed, you can use this Smart Station mounting plate to mount your safe under a layer, allowing for discretion and ease of use when you need to access it. Overall, the DS5i Bluetooth Smart Station is a perfect combination of style, security, and technological innovation, making it a must-have for any modern household.